Hey, this unprofitable trader out here, man. We just out here having fun, man. We just out here having fun. Uh, yeah, just gonna do a little planning today. Just taking a look at the markets. Right now, I'm on the daily chart. So we all know what's been going on. I don't need to switch back to the weekly or the monthly, but I will anyway. Right? Huge monthly drops, weekly downtrends, right? Lower highs and lower lows. And on the daily, though, right? We have something interesting going on the daily. So, possible inverse head and shoulders coming up on the SPX daily. So, what's my drawing tool? And we got our left shoulder, our head, oof, whatever, and our right shoulder right there. Oh, it's gonna bother me. Hold on. There we go. That's better. So, possible inverse head and shoulders, which is generally a reversal pattern. Well, it is a reversal pattern. So basically, that's telling us that the daily trend might be shifting from a downtrend to an uptrend. Because if you look from Wednesday 17th, right, we've been forming lower highs and lower lows on this daily chart here. Right now, we have a higher low. Bulls looking like they're gonna go take out that higher high right there. So Monday is gonna come. There's gonna be three things that can happen. First obvious resistance level on the SPX 500 is 37.65. Second one is 38.09. And from there, it's going to be previous support that's probably going to act as resistance. So maybe this one right here, 38.83, which would line up nicely with that moving average, at least as of today. So there's a couple things that can happen on Monday when the market opens, and no, just gotta be ready for all of them. So the first thing that can happen is we pull back, retest this EMA or some other EMA, right? Then try to come back and break this on Tuesday or Wednesday, right? That's the first thing. Second thing that might happen is we just go straight up on Monday morning, right? Break that first resistance, go up. Hold on. As you can tell, I'm still new, fairly new to this. Not new to trading, but fairly new to posting my thoughts on the internet. But we can break this first resistance, fail this second resistance, right? Maybe Monday closes somewhere around here, 38.06, right on that resistance. Tuesday, we come back, test that previous resistance, then break it on Wednesday and head up. So, got to be ready for that. Or final possibility or final type of possibility is that we fail these resistances and this inverse head and shoulders fails. Probably makes a weekly bear flag if that happens. Yep, it would be a possible weekly bear flag. Yeah, inverse head and shoulders fails. Maybe we either reject from right here or right there, right? Let's say we get halfway there. No, we'll get all the way there if anything. Get all the way there, right? And then just a complete dump back down the other way. Right. So any one of those things could happen. Got to be ready for all of them. Uh, so what I'm gonna be looking for personally, I think we either blow straight through this on Monday or we blow through this first one and fail at the second one and continue on Tuesday. So me personally, Monday morning comes, I'm gonna be looking to buy. I'm gonna be looking to get long, and I get long by buying calls. Nasdaq 100, same thing, right? Got another inverse head and shoulders coming up. Ugly left shoulder, strange looking head, and some type of right shoulder, right? But same thing, right? We have to break this high right here that happened to be set on Tuesday, 11,380. Right, we break 11,380. We have to go ahead and get through 11,670. Notice though, if I recall correctly, right, the SPY resistance look a lot closer than the Nasdaq one does. Yeah, look how tight that second SPY resistance is. Look how wide that next Nasdaq resistance is. So this is telling me actually that we're more likely to just break that first resistance on Monday. We're not likely to break that second resistance because imagine how big that green candle is going to have to be to break that second resistance on Monday, right? I mean, it's not unheard of, but that would be a pretty. That'd be a pretty strong green candle. I mean, about as long as that one. You know what? It's possible. It's definitely possible, but I don't. It's hard to call, and it's always hard to call. But I'm thinking maybe we break here, come back, take a rest, then go. Right? Because bulls take the stairs up, right? So yeah, you don't really just shoot straight up. But we also have to remember that everybody and their mother is short the market right now. So if they start getting spooked, we can definitely have that type of candle. Like, when was the last time the bulls got spooked? When was the last time we had short covering? Oh, it was the day into the CPI. Yeah. Look at this CPI day candle. I actually got caught on the wrong side of this. Don't even want to know how much money I lost. I lost a lot of money this day because CPI comes out that day, right? And we see a huge drop. Let me see if I can get to it again. Yeah, CPI comes out. We see a huge drop, right? So I'm like, okay, we're gonna get a little bit of retracement. We're gonna continue down. So right, I'm waiting. I'm waiting. Market opens right around here. We start going up. I'm like, okay, I'm gonna look to get short. I maybe get short right here. All right. Goes up, comes down a little bit, keeps going up, stops me out, right? I'm like, okay, I'm gonna get short again. I don't remember where I got short again. I think I got short again right here, right? Went up, stopped me out. And then I pretty much said, okay, it's time for me to keep fighting this. I don't remember how much I lost, but you know, I can go back and check. Hold on. So I pulled up my trade area. It looks like I actually made a little bit of money on October 13th. This says long on all of it, but trust me, I was not smart enough to get long. And if I was smart enough to get long, obviously I would have made a lot more than 19 bucks that day. Oh no, no, no. I lost money. I lost $5. I only lost $5 that day. I'm pretty sure I only got short. Let's see this. So I was in Amazon puts, right? Trying to short. Oh man, that was a bad day. So tried to get short Amazon puts right there at 137. QQQ puts at 11.55. Looks like that one actually made money, about 20%. QQQ puts again. How this is telling me that I was in a little bit on tilt here, right? Because I traded 3 contracts. Yeah, don't usually do that. And I'm adding to a loser, which is not great. Yeah, QQQ puts. Man, nice way to work yourself out the trade though. Not right. So yeah, you get the point, right? I was basically just I was short all day. I know that Tesla, I know I was short Tesla. It was up at first. I thought it was gonna make a run down, just didn't make it, but got one at 107, a couple at 113, sold one at 127, sold one at 86, brought it back at 134, bought another one 132, and just stopped out for a massive loss, probably. Yeah, that wasn't great. Yeah, $42. More than I should be losing on a single trade though. So yeah, it was a tough day that CPI day, man. It was a tough day at CPI day, and I bring this up because you know, look at that red candle, and I'm expecting us to continue down if the CPI comes hot and hotter than expected, and instead we just get a massive candle. Like if we look at this on the hourly, right? Look at the size of that candle. What if we do the 2 hour? Right? Holy crap. So yeah, it's definitely possible that we get an extremely large candle on Monday that breaks both of these highs. And I'm just, yeah, he's gonna have to be prepared. I'm gonna have to be prepared for so many different possibilities Monday. It's gonna be tough. But hey, man, nothing about this game is easy. Nothing about this game is easy. So SPY gonna pretty much be the same thing, right? We just gotta break that high, then we gotta break that high. SPX 500 basically. QQQ, same thing as NASDAQ. XLF. I'm not gonna trade the banking sector, but if I wanted to, basically the same thing. Inverse head and shoulder, left shoulder, head, right shoulder. And just has to get above that. I guess. Yeah, I gotta get above that as well. Apple, same thing. Apple added 50 MA already. Apple clearly stronger than the market. Look at the rest of these other stocks, nowhere near the 50 MA, their red line, nowhere near the red line, right? Way under that moving average. That's QQQ, that's SPY. Where's Amazon? Right, nowhere near that MU. Oh, actually, MU strong. AMD, way below it. Way below it. NVIDIA. I know NVIDIA's way below it, right? Significantly below it. I'm actually long some NVIDIA calls though. I got long NVIDIA calls, call spread. I think this day. Yeah, somewhere around here. I've got long NVIDIA call. So it's in profit right now. So I'm happy with it. XVI. That's another one I'm keeping an eye on. Look at the range on this thing. All right. Just high, higher, low, high, higher, low, lower, high, higher, low. Probably gonna come up and set this lower high on Monday or so. Then we're probably gonna come set a higher low again on Wednesday, Thursday. Then we're likely to shoot up or shoot down. All I know is either way I want to be in. If we shoot down, I want to be in. That weekly bear flag confirms. Would that be a weekly bear flag? Oops. Hold on, let me take all that off. All right, yeah. If we shoot down, confirm that weekly bear flag. Yeah, I want to be in short because no support until 72. And then after 72, if we get through 72, no, oh my gosh, that could be a huge trade. Hold on. Uh, XBI. Yeah, tell me when the price gets below. I'll say 76 every time. Let it expire next month. Okay. XBI weekly bear flag. Possibly. Yeah, I definitely want to know if that happens. As for the top side, yeah, I feel like if XBI breaks to the top side, I'll already know by looking at the rest of the market. Same way with the bottom side, but all right, dollar. So yeah, we need a dollar to calm down if stocks are gonna go. Stocks are gonna go up in the near term. And honestly, to me, this just looks like a weekly bull flag. This looks like a weekly bull flag. I mean, eh, head and shoulders, I guess, but Yeah, this thing looks strong, right? Maybe we come down here and then we possibly move higher. If that happens, I don't see how stocks can have much of a move up, honestly. So yeah, definitely gonna have to keep on a dollar, keep an eye on a dollar because dollar strength has just tanked stocks this year. This year. I don't see how the dollar so strong and inflation's still so high. Well, I didn't know, but whatever. Let's see if we can get a little bit of insight. Nope, that's gonna be tough. Hold on. Nope. Mm, something like this. So yeah. Look, let's make it simple. Let's erase the randomly drawn lines. We're gonna stick to the math. If the dollar does not close below the purple line, then it is likely to still continue seeing strength. You know what? It had to close below the purple line right there and right there. So that's not the right line. That's not the right line. What line are they using? That's not the, it's the yellow. If the dollar does not close below the yellow line on a 3-day chart, they keep full control. VIX, glad market volatility is coming down. I can afford options with less hassle now. All right, so yeah, that's my plan going into next week. A lot of things to look out for, but basically looking for this inverse head and shoulders to confirm. Hopefully, the dollar at least comes down to support, right? If the dollar at least gives us a little bit of a breather, markets will have some room to run. But yeah, if it bounces again, man. Okay. But yeah, I'll be looking to play the tech sector unless something else happens where it becomes obvious that I should play something else long. But yeah, I'll be looking to play the tech sector long next week. Inverse head and shoulders, Monday or Tuesday. Right? It can happen any one of those ways. We'll see what happens. Gonna look to continue making videos like this and doing more recap videos in the future. Stay tuned. Unprofitable trader over and out. We just having fun.